In this video we're going to do the soft key programming. Right now we are in the operator mode, as you can see right here. All these buttons can be programmed to how you want it to be.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to mode 5. Configuration, device configuration, device operation. And we have to enable the key programming first. Then we'll go, if we want whatever we want to copy to our operator mode, we will select in mode 5. So just for example, we can go to if we want to copy our label distance to the operating menu, then you would just go here and select second and the record button. It will say right here, copy key to authorization mode. We'll say OK. And then you'll select that button and then just go ahead and put it right there. And then you can say remain in this level when you're done. If you have more to do, you can remain to go back to the other menu. So now we've copied it to our operator mode. Now, if you do not want that operator to be able to change it, but you can see it, so say like we have our unit price right there. Normally, operators aren't allowed to change that, so we'll hit second, record. We can hit unit price. Now you can see right here we can delete, deactivate. So we can just go to deactivate. Now you can see it is deactivated. When you're done doing your changes to copying your soft keys, then you need to go back to mode 5 and to turn that back off. Otherwise, they can make changes in the operator mode that you do not want them to. Then go back to operator mode when you're done. Now your soft keys have been copied and your machine's ready to run.